Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing a lot of packages from Kyle of Kyle's Tech channel, link to his channel in the description. So the reason I have all of these from him is because I sent him a lot of things and he is repaying me with all of this stuff. So the first thing he bought for me off Amazon was a dual monitor stand from Mount It, and it was a $30 monitor stand, and so I guess, you know what, it's not that big of a deal if it's kind of like a bad stand. He also sent a message in this one, a reptile dysfunction. Thank you, Kyle. So I guess we will go ahead and open this up. So in the box we have more boxes. We also have an instruction manual and another instruction manual. And in these boxes are the parts of the stand. So you can see we have the mounting brackets and the VESA mounts for the monitors along with the stand. And here we have the arms for the monitors. I'm not going to go too in depth with this. I'll probably make another video about setting it up or something later on. So the next box is significantly larger. It is actually 19 pounds as I misplaced my knife. Here's a knife we can use. So UPS seems to have had its way with this box, so hopefully nothing got damaged. He included a bunch of random goodies in this box, so I guess we'll go ahead and start looking through those. So here we have something, I don't know exactly what that is. Here we have a logic board of some sort. I have no idea what this is for, maybe a power book or something. I hope that is a fake bug. Kyle, if that's a real bug, that's disgusting. Anyway, thank you for that. We also have Horse of the Century. I have no idea what that is. He was sending me 8 gigs of DDR3 desktop memory. Huge thank you for this because I have been needing desktop RAM for a long time. You can see we have random shipping stuff, random boxes, some sort of video card here. This is I have no idea what this is. I guess we'll look into that later on. Oh, we have a Raspberry Pi. That's actually pretty cool. I do like Raspberry Pis. We have Justin Timberlake. That's cool. And right here we have an 80 gig Seagate Momentous hard drive in a Blackmagic Ultra Studio mini recorder box. This is really kind of quite the thing. Here's some bubble wrap. I shipped this to him actually, so that's bubble wrap I included in that. We have Shrek 2, we have Sing and Play With Me, Disco Chart Busters Special Edition. That has a lot of discs in it. Okay. And here's what looks to be a socket 775 cooler. I don't have a backplate for this, but it has a nice little fan on it. Fan looks pretty cool. Then more just random stuff. And then I believe this, yeah, this is the 1.5 terabyte drive he was talking about. Apparently this is kind of flaky, so I'm gonna see what I can do with that. And then a random box. And here's the main attraction of what he shipped to me. Here is a keyboard for something. And yeah, I'm not going to take it out of that bubble wrap, but this is a keyboard for an Asus gaming laptop. And if we tear into this box just a little bit more, you can see a power brick for an Asus gaming laptop, or is that says HP on it. Hopefully that's the right adapter. My room is now quite messy. And here we have an Asus G75 VW gaming laptop. So let's open this up. This thing is absolutely gigantic. So the keyboard on this does not work. It is a 17-inch laptop. It has a Core i7 something in it and a 660M 2GB video card in it. So it's a nice little laptop. I'm going to be fixing this up and selling it to a friend. And there's no battery in it because apparently it was a lot more to ship with a battery in it as I totally move everything out of frame. So yeah, that's pretty cool. No hard drive in it, but it does have 8 gigs of RAM. So that's, more than enough. I'm going to be upgrading it to 16 actually for my friend. And then we have a pillow. So yeah, that's it for that box. And that's it for everything, actually. There was no more stuff. He also bought solder wick for me, and that's just not here yet because it wasn't Amazon Prime. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Thank you, Kyle. Link to his channel in the description once again. And with that said, that's going to be it for this video. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.